The bongo is a large, strikingly beautiful antelope native to the forests of Africa. It has a reddish-brown coat with white stripes, long spiraled horns, and large ears. Bongos are shy, nocturnal animals, typically found in dense vegetation, where they feed on leaves, shoots, and fruits. In Vantara, these animals are housed in spacious enclosures, mimicking their natural habitat, ensuring their well-being and conservation. Vantara's commitment to preserving rare species like the bongo highlights its role in wildlife education, rescue, and global biodiversity protection efforts.